Pinuri ng Commission on Population and Development ang pagpapavasectomy ng TV host na si Drew Arellano. Matatandaan na nito lamang April 28, ibinahagi ni Drew sa isang social media post na nag-undergo siya ng vasectomy procedure.
Happy vasectomy.
Ayon sa CPD, manifestation umano ito ng pagmamahal ni Drew sa kanyang asawa na si Ia Villania at sa kanyang pamilya. The Commission on Population and Development lauds Mr. Drew Arellano, a television personality, for receiving vasectomy as his manifestation of love for his spouse and family. This gesture strongly exemplifies responsible parenthood and family planning as promoted by the CPD. Wika ng CPD sa kanilang statement. We need more men like Mr. Arellano to encourage men to assume greater responsibility in ensuring the well-being of their partner and their children through responsible parenthood and family planning. Dagdag pa nito. Kaugnay nito, sinabi ng CPD na 0.1% lamang ng mga lalaking Pilipino ang nag-undergo ng vasectomy. This comes as good news amidst the prevailing low level of participation of males in family planning. This is evidenced by the mere 0.1% of Filipino men accepting no-scalpel vasectomy. Currently, family planning is exercised mostly by women. Saad nila. Samantala, ibinahagi naman ng asawa ni Drew na si Ia na noong nakaraang taon pa nila planong gawin ito. This was supposed to happen last year pa, and then Anya happened, so this time he made sure. Pagbabahagi ni Ia. Sa kasalukuyan ay mayroong 5 anak sina Drew at Ia na sina Primo, Leon, Alana, Astro at si Baby Anya Love.